Oxyacetylene torches get dirty, that's a fact. Even the best welders and fabricators occasionally get slag built up on their tip, making cuts ugly, inconsistent, and requiring extra grind time. Hi, my name is David Hutchison. I've been a professional welder for over 30 years. I've worked for Caterpillar, Union Pacific Railroad, and everything in between. One of my biggest frustrations is when my cutting tip gets dirty. It forces me to stop what I'm doing, take off my gloves, dig around for my tip cleaner, and waste 10 minutes trying to clean the tip. The tip cleaners from the parts house are flimsy, hard to manipulate, and bend all the time. They force me to buy a whole new set when I need to replace just one size. Most of those sizes I never even use. Finally, I had enough. I needed a tip cleaner that was easy to use, saved me time, and had better leverage. That's why I created Tip Doctor. With the Tip Doctor, there's no need to take off your gloves. It's easy to find in your tool bag and gives you more control thanks to its ergonomic design. Here's how it works. Step 1. Use the built-in file to clean away any large chunks that might be stuck on the face of the tip. Step 2. Slide the lever into the locking position and clean out any remaining debris. Step 3. Snap the lever back into the closed position and continue with your project. It's that easy. The patented Tip Doctor tool is currently in the fundraising stage. Once we've reached our goal, we'll be on track to getting Tip Doctor behind the counter within 1 year. Please help us reach our goal by donating today. Every dollar helps.